What's going on, everybody? I hope everyone had a good trading session. You guys kind of stayed safe. The overall market today, very choppy. We just kind of went sideways. However, we did close at the top of the range on the triple Qs as well as the S&P 500. So that is very bullish, especially after coming off such a monstrous day yesterday. But the stock that I want to take a look at is going to be Tesla. But before I get into the chart, if you guys could do me a favor and hit the like button on this video, as well as subscribe to my channel. Also, I do have a Discord. That link is down in the description box below. You guys are more than welcome to join. I do have a free section as well as a paid section. Great community of traders in there. Everyone tries to help each other out. But the levels that I want to take a look at on Tesla is, you could see once we had this big pullback here, we kind of came up a little, I guess you can call it kind of like a little triple top here at around this 1173 area, 1170. We kind of came up once, touched it, sold off, came up 1-2 times more, sold it, came up 1-2 times more, sold off here. So this is going to be a big, strong level of resistance. Honestly, to the top side, the big macro level on Tesla is going to be 1200. It's a big psychological level. I think once we get over this $1,200 area, okay, once we get over this $1,200 area, I think we start retesting all-time highs at around 1250. But so that we did have a pullback. Tesla had a pullback into the rising 50-day moving average here. We broke below it very briefly and touched 950. Also, if you watched my Tesla update analysis video last week, heading into this week, there was significant put buying coming in for that 940, 950, 960 strikes for this week's expiration. And not only did they get it, but they got it right away. So with that being said, as soon as Tesla was able to reclaim this 50-day moving average, we kind of gapped up with the rest of the market. And now we're kind of sitting right here. So we still are under a little bit of supply here at the 20-day moving average. That price is going to be around 1084. So I'm going to take today's highs, which is about 1072 and 1084. What I'm looking for is a possible scalp long on Tesla on a break of today's high price. But when we do get into this 20-period moving average here at around 1080, 1084, I want to see it not only get through there, but explode through there, not kind of trickle around and kind of test it, come back down, test it, come back down, test it, come back down. I would like to get up there, maybe do a little bit of consolidating right under that 1080 level. And then when we do get that big push through 1080, 1084, I'd like to see the tape start to build above it. And what I mean by that is I want to see us go from 1080, 1085, 1090, 1095, and then kind of start to consolidate around that area to where we actually are going to break through. We're going to get a daily close over that 20-period moving average. And I think as soon as we get that first daily close over that 20-period moving average, Tesla's going to start to get really bullish heading into the end of the year and January. So what I also want to take a look at here is the calls heat map on Tesla. So one of the calls that was coming in today, I've seen quite a few of them, that is really standing out to me was this Friday's 12/10/2021 expirations coming in for, where was it at? Oh, it's on the first page here. Yeah, here we go. December 10th, 2021, $1,100 strikes, 145 orders, $8.12 million worth of premium. Okay, so this is what stood out to me. I started seeing this on the live option feed coming in weeklies, 1,100 strike, 1,100 strike, 1,100 strike, 145 orders, over $8 million worth of premium. So you don't just start laying up that much premium if they don't expect a move. So on the put side, we do have about $4.5 million at around these 1040 strikes. So that's something to keep in mind as well. But just going forward, those are the levels that I'm going to really be watching for on Tesla's getting over previous day's highs, which is going to be 1072, and then starting to build over this 1084 level. Guys, I hope that helps. Join the Discord. That link is down in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. So please, with whatever you can do, tell your friends, tell your mama, tell your grandma. Share this video, post it on Facebook, post it on Twitter, whatever you guys got to do to get my video out there so I can get some more subscribers. 1,000 would be the goal before the year's end. I know I'm almost only halfway there, but with your help, I know I can do it. So until then, I will see you guys all on the next video.